It's fall, and I want to take a moment to appreciate some of the beautiful sights and sounds of fall. We'll check out the garden and some other places, and even some cake. In my opinion, fall is a great time to visit your local lake, if you have one, and just zen out or have a picnic with someone, or whatever. In the garden, squash is ready, and this is a delicata squash. Very sweet flesh, delicious. So I went down to the local grocery store and I bought a delicata squash, and I ate it, and I collected a seed and I grew this. This one's just fine. It's just a little less ripe, but that's okay. We'll accept it. Hiding in the garden was this earthball mushroom, which is leathery and looks like a potato, but it's poisonous. It'll cause stomach cramps and vomiting and diarrhea, so don't eat that. Chicken. Scrumptious basil. And some absolutely delicious Thai basil. The cake is not a lie. Here it is. Came out perfect. There's nothing better than a good carrot cake in the fall. These are flowers from my Jerusalem artichoke, which is in the sunflower family Asteraceae. They're just beautiful, and they get really tall, like 6 to 10 feet. They have edible tubers beneath the ground that have a sweet, nutty, earthy flavor. And despite being called Jerusalem artichokes, they're from eastern North America. Next up, I'm looking forward to harvesting some oranges and Jerusalem artichokes when they're ready.